sea adventure. Get ready to swim, dive, and discover amazing ocean animals. Dolphin. First up is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and friendly. They talk using squeaks and clicks, and they love to jump and spin. Clownfish. Look at that orange and white fish. It's a clownfish. Clownfish live inside sea anemones like squishy homes that protect them. Octopus. Wow! A wiggly octopus. It has 8 arms and can squirt ink to hide. Octopuses are super smart. They can open jars. Sea turtle. Here comes a gentle sea turtle. Turtles swim slowly and can live for over 100 years. They love jellyfish for snacks. Jellyfish. Ooh, a glowing jellyfish. It moves like a balloon in water and lights up in the dark. Starfish. Can you see the starfish lying on that rock? Starfish don't swim. They crawl slowly on the ocean floor using tiny tube feet. Time for an ocean quiz game. Guess which animal I'm talking about? I have 8 arms and squirt ink. Answer octopus. I jump and spin out of the water. Answer dolphin. I glow and float like a balloon. Answer jellyfish. I hide in sea plants and have orange and white stripes. Answer clownfish. Wow! You met dolphins, clownfish, turtles, jellyfish, and more. Thanks for diving into the ocean with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun under the sea. Bye-bye, little diver.